Hello everybody, and yet another beautiful day in this beautiful country of Croatia, and especially Sprit, and yet another day for adventure. And I'm welcoming you back to the channel. The old subscribers, karibuni sana. This is best of two worlds, and the new subscribers, karibuni sana. This is home. The home for adventure, the home for love, the home for traveling, and all those good things. So karibuni sana. Yet another beautiful day. We are ready to go for another adventure, and I'm thinking I take you along so that you see where we are going, simple and clear. So join us and let's go for the next adventure. As we wait for the others to get ready, we are outside here playing ball. He got that ball as a present from his mom when we had gone to Havar. It's going to get into the water, Jaden. Self-ticketing.
Okay, and so how much?
Man står ju där så you have to pay. Det kostar... Nej, det står inget. Här. Och så kanske man betalar på andra sidan.
Vi ska behöva bara få en biljett här.
Nu kör vi om.
på den andra motorvägen.
We have arrived at the Krka National Park. It's a park with a lot of waterfalls and so many other things to see. But why we are here, we are not here for the national park. We are here to see the waterfalls and probably be able to swim in one of them. Those who have followed us know that we are fan of waterfalls. So let's see whether we have the possibility to see. So you can have guided tours, you can come in with the tour buses, you can go walking. There are different options. So are you hoping to swim? Yeah, it's an attraction. Så man kan inte missa.
Det är inte massa köer.
But I guess after you go in with buses and all. Alltså kanske man har betalat i förväg.
Student 15.
Vad står det?
Adult 40.
Halifax, Dublin. But I've got the Revolut one as well. I think it's a better exchange rate.
Oh, okay.
I just use it both.
Yeah, I've got ones that wagon there with me.
2 adults, 2 students and 1 child. Sorry?
20. My ID?
Okay, now we're waiting for the bus that is going to take us. The bus can take us to different places or it can go around, it can take you around. The park is so big, so I don't think we're going to go all around. We're just interested in seeing the waterfall. Let's wait for the bus. Ingen mat och dryck. Gå så att du tar fram. Jeder, kom. Hej. Och gå fram. We have done some walking paths. You can walk down there. And this national park actually is done along the Krka river. That's why it's called the Krka National Park. So, and like I said, it has several waterfalls and so many other educational parts for those who love to bike, those who want to jog, or just want to walk around the park. Can do that. So that's the Krka. Down there is the Krka river. Krka is Krka. You can also do an excursion with the boat on the river itself. Look at that. Ja, jag vet. So the roads are carved. Look at that. Oh my God. So we're just going to go around. There's like 1 kilometer walking, so to be able to see different waterfalls. So we just walk and see what's there. This national park is well visited. You can tell by the number of people. And that's what happens. When we visit a country, we don't just go swimming. We do more than just swim. We try and see as much as we can. And that's the whole point of going to a country, is so that you're able to see as much as you can. Look at how beautiful that is.
Maintenant, il faudrait que j'alterne les jours talons et ouais, c'est une bonne comme Niki, elle l'a mal vu parce qu'elle a une... J'en voulais un aussi pour qui est sorti de l'eau. Ouais, ça va. Ouais. Je vais me faire une perche pour enlever les ah ouais, c'est quoi ça?
Oh, they are fishes. Jaden, how do you say it?
D'accord. Et ça va elle se marque dessus.
Yeah. Huh? You thought it was? Fixed. Sticks. Interesting. Oh, that way is if you want their restaurant, you want to eat. Look at this, you just won't feel like you want to drink it. My God. Look. You can't even tell there is water, you can almost walk. Look at this, Mary.
Man blir hungrig när man ser fiskarna.
Har du sett fåglarna på andra sidan? Där. Det är konstigt, vattnet går ju åt alla håll. Den där kommer under där och sen går den runt. You see, it enters in, yeah, and then it goes that way. Ja. Vad är det för fisk?
I baterka sono pocchiato, le vite. Le vite ben pocchiato.
Vad är det för fisk? De svarta? Ah?
Det är det viski som är på.
Look at that. Ska vi gå på högra sidan? Vad är det som låter? I think frogs. Ja, jag vet inte varför de står still. Alltså, they are not flowing with the water.
Ingve Berglund, varför står fiskarna still för?
Varför, why are they not moving with the water?
De kanske bara vilar.
But they are not flowing everywhere.
Nej, men de går mot strömmen. Det strömmar lite dit. Fiskar brukar väl vända sig mot strömmen.
Emot strömmen?
Ja, och så ligger den där och vilar. Hoppas på att det kommer något kött flytande.
Jaha. Vad är det som låter, Jaden?
Det är fiskarna.
Oh,
Fiskarna bara.
det är inte fiskar som låter. Jag tror att...
Grodorna.
Var är de? Där är en groda, ja.
Det här var en fin.
Det är någon groda där. I mean, the sound of water and birds and frogs is just amazing. It's the sound of water and the birds and the frogs for me. My God, look at these fishes. There's a small waterfall there. Wow. Titta hit hörni. Bra. Guys, I don't even know if the camera is doing justice how beautiful this is. The water is just blue and it's here to through it. This kind of fishes are everywhere, guys. They look like they're just standing still. Oh, Daria. Där är den. Ser du den där? because the water is just still, like here. Now we have rested, we've had something in our stomach, and now we continue with the adventure. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh wow. This is where they should open for people to swim. Bah! Vill du inte doppa det här? Oh my God. Bra. Aha. En gång till Jaden. Wash your hands. Medio där. Hon vill att du ska gå och ta en bild på henne. This is the biggest waterfall of them all. It's the before people were allowed to swim at the bottom, but not anymore. So people are allowed to swim here before, but not anymore. So sad that you can't swim. Oh wow. Look at the fishes down here. And on this side, oh wow. They should just allow people to continue swimming. They should just allow people to. That's the biggest waterfall. What is it being called? I'll write the name here. Isn't it beautiful, guys? God is almighty and He creates. Because that was beautiful. That was so beautiful. Uh-huh. If you go down, you have to go up.
Unfortunately.
That's the rule of
That's why I
nature.
wanted to break the rules so they can carry me out of here.
Who?
The national park.
Uh-huh.
I entered there. And then they
Oh, this is where we started. We are back where we were dropped by the bus. And that was a good walk. A good 1 kilometer walk in the sun, up and down. All worth it. All really, really worth it. My babies are there sitting. We are waiting for the bus to take us to the entrance where we started, where we bought the tickets. we have to, I mean, man ska få...
Vi tar ju bara ett dopp här, vi behöver inte stanna ner.
Nej, vi snabbare så ni var hemma och fixa oss.
Ja.
I alla fall för mig, jag hade gärna sett sminka.
Men det handlar om. Det handlar om att gå in i duschen ut och göra allt annat ute. Och då börjar du med duschen så att du kan sminka dig
Jag
själv.
kommer släppa av er här om det är så att jag inte kan stanna. Nu verkar det vara 500 meter kvar eller något sånt där. Här står att man kan parkera, men jag kör väl fram. Kör jag hit sen.
Kradin.
Ni får vara lite beredda.
City
Vi
Beach.
stannar här bara.
City
Det är
Beach.
inte säkert att jag
Kradin.
kan stanna där på de ställena här.
Ja, där nere.
Jag lär väl köra tillbaka och parkera, tror jag.